Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to change the mission info or how to view the mission info in Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So mission info is nothing but it's a metadata or information provided by the administrator or the user who is using this machine. Okay. So let me give hostname ctl command. You can see icon name, chassis, location, deployment name, right? So this information will be stored in machine-info file, which is located under /etc directory. Okay, so you can see that whatever details displayed in hostname.ctl, that is location, deployment, chassis, icon name, okay, are stored in machine-info file. Okay, you can also modify this machine-info file. So let me modify this machine-info. So login as a root user to modify this file. So now I am going to change the location, and also I am going to change the deployment. So putting as a development box. Chassis also I am changing to desktop. Okay, save the entries. Okay, let us see what is going to happen. Once again I'm confirming. Okay, these are the entries. Hostname ctl command. Yes, so you can see that changes are reflecting after execution of hostname ctl command. So it has impact. So this mission info file having impact on hostname ctl command, and hostname ctl command also have a direct impact on mission-info file. Okay, so now I am going to set one parity hostname to this computer. So I have set the parity hostname. So parity hostname also got reflected. Let me check the machine info file, cat/etc/mission-info. Yes, you can see that parity hostname is got written here. So these 5 entries will be there in mission-info file. This values does not have impact on static host entries. So it's simply a metadata provided by administrator or user who uses this mission. So make use of this command.